Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Burek Obema token. Now this obviously has no affiliation with the actual person. This is just a meme token, and these meme tokens here that are named after these actual people are doing insane right now. This is a meme token on the Solana blockchain, and these Solana meme tokens are just exploding. According to DEX Screener right now, this token is up 122,000% in the past 24 hours. A lot of these meme tokens like Putney, Trimp, Geo Bowden, and now Obema have been exploding, and I've been doing videos on a lot of these tokens, and I'm going to keep uploading a lot of these Solana meme token videos throughout the weekend, so stay tuned for that and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, or hit that notification bell if you are subscribed, and then you'll see exactly when I upload these videos. But yeah, these tokens are going bananas, and we're going to talk about the Burek Obema token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Burek Obema token. He is back. I take care of Osama, and now I will take care of Bowden and Trimp. That is the tagline there. Their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there so you guys can easily find this project. At Burek Obema SOL on Twitter. 686 Twitter followers. They just joined in March 2024. Brand new project. They're already trending in the top 10 on DEX Screener. 49 tweets that you can check out. I guarantee most of them are going to be memes. But if you look at their pinned tweet, in their pinned tweet, you can find their webpage, their Twitter, their Telegram, and their contract address. And of course, a meme. So basically, all the links, like a full link tree, everything you need is in that pinned tweet there. Now, if you're looking to get this token, there's a couple different ways. But first of all, you need a wallet for Solana tokens. So you can get a Soulflare wallet, a Phantom wallet, Coin98, Coinbase wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, any wallet that holds Solana tokens. Fund that wallet with Sol, and then go into the dApps, and then find Raydium or Jupiter or Orca, and then using the contract address that you can find right there on that Twitter or in their pinned tweet, you would trade your Sol for the Obema token using the contract address right there. You may have to set slippage. There's taxes in the tokenomics, but hopefully they tell us there. Hopefully they will tell us about taxes on their webpage, but maybe it's zero. If you did buy or sell this token and you had to set slippage, you can let people know in the comment section down there. That'll help people out. So their Telegram is at Burek Obema, and they have 481 subscribers, and you can preview the channel, so check it out before joining if you like. But basically, if you want to find updates regarding this project, like new listings like on central exchanges or just new coin site listings, or just any sort of update, you can follow their Twitter or their Telegram, and that's a great place to find those updates. Now, this token is actually trending number 2 right now on DEX Screener, right behind Bang, B-E-N-G. That token, Bang, is up 86,000% right now. And I'm going to upload a video on Bang today as well, so check that out along with the other Solana meme tokens I'm going to be uploading. There's a bunch of them, so stay tuned for all of those. Now, the web page is going to have most of the information, but just keep in mind that this is just a meme token. There's not going to be tons of info on it. So on their webpage, it says total supply, 1 billion tokens, 0% tax. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from Raydium or Jupiter, you probably will not have to worry about slippage, maybe 1% at the most or something like that if it has a congested network. You can find this project also on SolScan. The address is going to be on there. And it says 6 decimal places. Current supply is 999,987,747 tokens. So it started out with a total supply of 1 billion, and it's deflationary. So Burek Obema is the full name of the token, and just Obema is the ticker symbol, according to SolScan. They have $5.19 million market cap. They have 233,910 dollars in liquidity on Raydium, 5,640 holders, $8.47 million total 24-hour trading volume. They have 646.13 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 21.06 million Obema tokens. They have a DEX score of 94 out of 99. And a community trust score of 100%, which was voted on by 13 people. And yeah, so he is back, and he is about to take over Bowden and Trump. Trump. So check out my Bowden and Trump videos, by the way, if you guys are not familiar with those tokens. But it says it does show how to buy on their webpage too, in case you didn't understand how I explained about the wallet and Solana and all that type of stuff. Big disclaimer at the bottom of their webpage, they're not actually affiliated with the real ex-president. This is just created for entertainment purposes only. While Burek Obema Memecoin may reference or incorporate elements related to Obama's persona, image, and likeness, it does not imply any direct endorsement, partnership, or approval. Any resemblance association is purely coincidental and intended for satirical and humorous purposes only. Now keep that in mind. Now lastly, there is a quick audit by Quick Intel Security on DEX tools, and it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. So all good stuff there on their quick audit. So yeah, check out the quick audit there. Hopefully they come up with a full audit soon. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new Solana tokens coming out. And yeah, check out the referral codes down there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.